Welcome back everyone. Just had to stop and start the video again because of the YouTube time limit that I have. So we're on the CAD chef. I'm going to zoom into this pair and see what's happened. So what it looks like is that we've got a bearish candle here. So we had no strength in the bullish move here. I don't see any strength in this candle, so possibility price is gonna go further down, probably testing these this high here. So you may get a small 2 to 3 day trade if we get a break right about somewhere about here. If we get a break, moving on to the weekly, so we can see a strong bearish candle here. Okay, so maybe it's actually rejecting this high here on the weekly. Maybe price is going to go back down, test these lows. Okay, I'm not sure, or possibly because it's just got into this zone here, it's just going to carry on doing its thing like it has done the past, 6 or odd months in the past. So sorry, yeah, I mean, it's on the daily, you can still trade this, but they're gonna be small moves, so I wouldn't expect that you would be able to hold these trades more than, I'm guessing, about 3 days, 2 to 3 days. If you're lucky, maybe 4 to 5 days, possibly a week or so. But I'm gonna keep my eye on this. Maybe we'll get a 1 to 2 day trade, but as you can see, this high here, maybe we won't get anything. Maybe it's just not going to play out. Maybe it's just going to mess me about. So we'll wait and see. On this one. Moving on to Euro CAD. Like I said on the previous video, price is just bouncing between this high and this low at the moment. So there's no direction here on the daily at the moment. So we still have to be patient and just wait for this to play out. Euro NZD is the same situation. We got 2 bullish candles today and the day before, but nothing to indicate a break of the low here. Okay, candle opened here, and then if this candle does go down, maybe judging by how it looks after it's been printed, we may take it. But as we can see, this support area here has been broken, so nothing's been produced on the daily. So if you actually got into the trade up here, you might still be in this trade now. Most likely you would be if you managed it properly. So let's see if this pair is going to give us another chance to get into this trade in the coming days. Moving on to the next pair, which is GBP AUD. So this pair, I think I mentioned that, I'm not sure, just something I don't like about this pair at the moment. So the last 2 days has been bearish, but you can see this candle here. I mean, these are the candles that I don't like. These candles, when the candles like this, when the candles like that, it's a sign of a healthy move down. But when you start getting, you know, big wicks either side, is that a sign of possible, you know, rejection of those prices down there? Is it a sign of the trend coming to an end? You know, it's just those things that you have to keep a lookout of. Yeah, so you can see prices here at these tops, and you can see the 50 MA here. So price is actually maybe it's already here now, maybe that's as far as it's gonna go, and it's just gonna reverse from there. So realistically, I don't want to get into this trade at this moment, so I'm just gonna wait, because this trade here at that point still didn't check any of my boxes, just a few but not all of them. So I'm just going to leave this trade, and I'm going to move on to the next pair, which is the GBP card. So GBP card, I did mark out this high, and as you can see, that high has not yet been broken. Weekly price is looking bearish but also moving sideways, and on the daily it looks like it's rejected this low here and slowly moving back up. So let's see what happens tomorrow, in the coming days. Maybe we'll get a strong buy signal, maybe we won't. GBP chef, we're not going to trade this. And what do we have here? GBP NZD. Okay, so this pair, okay, nothing on this pair yet. NZD CAD, okay, so let's take a look at this pair. So as you can see here, it didn't break this high, but the candle opened right there. So when this happens, with the strategy that I use, I always assume that there's something else going on here. Market's gonna do something else here. So I'm just gonna stay out of this trade, and I'm just gonna wait and see what happens with this pair. I was expecting this candle to actually close about here, so that would have given me strong indication that price actually broke through this level. But as you can see, price did not break through this level, and then we have a candle open right here, and it looks like the candle actually shot up in a matter of what, this new candle's only been open for nearly 2 hours now. It's 11:57. So in the UK, a new daily candle opens at 10 p.m. and it's just going midnight now. So within 2 hours, this candle just shot up. How many pips are we talking about? We're talking about 44 pips, round about there. It shot up and it's come back down. So you know, something else is happening here, and I'll just stand back, sit back and watch and wait for my chance. So the last pair here, quickly looking at the NZD chef. NZD chef is the same story, nothing here yet, no break of the high here. We did produce there is a low there, but you can see this bullish candle. So price was pretty much even here. You know, there was a lot of bearish pressure, there was a lot of bullish pressure here as well. we're gonna wait and see if an opportunity arises. So I'm just gonna quickly go back to the current trade that I entered, which was Euro USD. So like I said, guys, when I entered this trade, my bias is to sell this market. Like I said, it's going down, so I don't want to go against the trend. So I entered right here and I placed my stop loss 48 pips away. Yesterday it triggered me into sometime yesterday after 10 o'clock during early hours of midnight, or during the daytime today. It triggered me in, and it looks like about 140, 148, so possibly about 12 o'clock UK time, I think. I'm not sure. So this candle's open here. It looks bullish. This candle may go back up here to these highs, may test it and then come back down. That's what I'm hoping. So like I said, guys, in the first video, I think I'm not encouraging anyone to trade, and anyone who does trade, you trade at your own risk, and please do your homework before you do get into forex trading. And if any of you already are beginners and are trading and are watching this video, feel free to copy my trades if you want, but like I said, I'm not encouraging anyone to trade or to copy my trade. If you want to, feel free to do so, but I'm not telling anyone to take them. So I have taken this trade, and it will take a couple of days. Possibly I might have to hold it for the whole week, maybe for the rest of next week. But this is the beauty, I think, of trading on the daily time frame. The signals are more stronger, and you're able to trade you're able to hold your trades longer. You see, if you look at this now, that's 27 pips. Okay, 27 pips I've made today. Now there are people who are trading on the 15-minute time frame, from what I've heard, and on the 5 minutes and so, and they would be happy to make this amount of pips, even in a week. Like some of them, they can't even get this. So trading on the daily, I'm always seeing double figures like this, even triple. The other one that I had, the AUD JPY, that went up to 300 and some odd pips. So that's not uncommon for me trading on the daily. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm a retail trader. My YouTube channel is called the Forex Hustle. I don't consider myself as a professional. I'm just a normal trader, and I trade what I see. I'm not here to train anyone how to trade and all of that kind of stuff. I'm just documenting my journey, trying to grow a small account. And if you have any questions or anything, please leave it down in the comments below. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next video tomorrow.